It's a wonderful tradition that we have in our family, all about fireworks. It now spans 5 generations, back to my great-grandfather who came here from Portugal. Just like all the immigrants at that time, they were coming to America for the land of the opportunity and to make a better life. They worked their way through and started up the family business of fireworks. And I'm really proud of our family who came over here struggling, trying to make a better life here in America, and they've done that. So there's something that's passed on, not just the fireworks, but the pride that we have. It's a free country. We're all proud to be Americans, and we're really proud that we're using fireworks to celebrate the American heritage as well. We're really artists, with the sky as our canvas and fireworks, the paint. We spread this message, if you will, of joy and happiness and celebration. And then when you can connect that to America and our independence, and that finally comes together. And you're going to see people of all ages, of all backgrounds, of all beliefs coming together to celebrate our independence. It's just a wonderful thing. This just typifies what America's all about, where you can make something out of yourselves, coming from anywhere, any background, and make something out of it. We have that opportunity here in America.